Good morning, students. As we know, in this present time situation, Corona pandemic is spread all over the world, so we cannot attend school, and we have to give exam in online mode. So today I will tell you how to give your exam and how to upload your answer sheet. Click on given link by your teacher in WhatsApp group or any other platform, and you will see like this. This is your sample question paper. You can see here name, class and section. Okay, you have to fill one by one. Okay, I fill, for example, I fill any name, class 3, section B. Okay, after filling name, class and section, I click on next button. You can see here, this is next button. Okay, I click here and this will open in next section, which is section 2. This is MCQ section. You can see here rhyming word of think, sink. What is opposite of awake? Asleep. What is opposite of wide? Narrow. What is rhyming word of creep? Sleep. What we say anyone after finish conversation at night? Good night. What is the child happy in the poem because it is morning time? To whom does not the child say good morning? This answer will be lion. Okay. Next, whose word meaning is get up, awake. Okay, after doing this section, we click on next button. Okay, I click. Okay, this is section 3rd, which is subjective section, means you have to write on your copy. Okay, after this you have to read. Click the link given below and open file and complete your exam and upload in add file section. First you have to click on this link, and after doing all questions you have to click on add file section. Okay, but first we have click on link. Okay, you see this is link and I click here. Okay, this will open. Okay, like this PDF form. This is your sample question paper. Okay, which is given your for practice. Okay, you have to written on your copy. First write your name on your copy, class and then section. Okay, after write this you have to start solve question paper, and like you have solved question 1, then you have to write only answers, not questions. Okay, you have to write only answers, like as question 1 in bracket answer. Okay, whatever is answer you have to write like this. Okay, after completing question 1 answer you have to write question 2, similarly question 2 answers. Okay, and you write similarly whatever is answer, and after this similarly question 3, question 4, question 5, question 6, like as. Okay, after doing all questions on your copy you have to click picture by your camera and then upload in add file section. Okay, for this we go back from this and we come on add file section. You can see here, and I click here add file section. Okay, you can see here select files from your device. Okay, Okay, what are steps? First you write on your copy and click pictures and then select files from your device. Okay, I click here, you can see here this will be open like this document. You can see here this is document section. I click here and this will be open like this and we click on like this albums. Okay, this will open in your gallery. Okay, we click pictures like this and we upload. We choose anyone. Okay, you can see here this is your picture which you write on your copy. Okay, if you want to add more files, then you click here. Suppose that you have written on your copy and you have 2 pages 4 to 5, then go to add more files. Okay, for this click on this like and same document option and go to albums option and again click another picture. Okay, like this you can see here this is 1, this is 2. Okay, you can see here. Then you have to upload section. You can see here this is button upload. Okay, you can also upload in PDF form. Okay, if you want to send PDF form, then you have to combine all pictures and then PDF form. Okay, for here we go on upload section. You can see here this is upload section and you have to see here this is uploading. Okay, both files are uploaded. You can see here and you can see this is first and this is second. This is okay. Then after this, after doing all pictures here, then we click on submit option. You can see here this is submit option. I click here like this. Okay, okay, you can see here your response has been recorded. Okay, it means your question paper submitted. Okay, okay, thank you so much.